everyone, I'm John Lawrence, and this is something I am finally getting to. I am finally getting to starting this. All these things have been sitting in my fridge for a long ass time. They say an unfinished list is unfinished business. I said that when I finished up 30 Days of Candy boxes. I'm starting to say it now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Japan Crate DIY Kit. Holy crap, you actually don't want. Holy crap, what is this? What is this madness? This is from the March 2016 box. It is the Kinako Mochi DIY. It's an either or thing. It's basically a new age take on a traditional Japanese snack. And what I did was, I already took the components and I put them in this tray here. There is chocolate here. It tastes kind of like pudding. Kinako and mochi things. I don't really want to dip it too much because I have a lot. What this to do is sprinkle a bit. So I'll just dip my fingers in this little cup of water. Hold on a sec. It's been a while since I've done this. So they look like this when I'm done putting water on them. And it says to dip it in the Kinako. And the chocolate. Go with something like this. Okay, so Kinako is like breading. Nice crispy bread. Right, turned out a bit better if I sit in the fridge for 14 months. Pardon. Okay, so that's this. The Choco Kinako Mochi DIY. It's got stuff here. Looks a lot better than it normally would. Man, the chocolate's good. It's like pudding. Anyway, this is a brief video. If you liked it, hey, that's great. Not, I didn't really like this personally. So, at least I'm getting taking care of business. See ya. Bye.